and back to the for computer networks. Today we're going to see a topic called routing protocols. That's what is routing protocol and what are the types of routing protocol in computer networks. So this is a tutorial definitely helpful for who are preparing the GATE UGC and NET exams. Let's go over session today. This is the video about introduction of what is interdomain, and so on and so on. The upcoming session definitely we discuss the protocols, the role of protocols and everything deeply. Let's see. So generally in networks, routing protocols divided in two types, one intradomain and interdomain. In intradomain, these are again divided into the protocols like distance vector and link state. Distance vector you can say example RIP, and link state you can say example of OSPF. Okay, then interdomain we have option of path vector. For example, you can say BGP, that is border gateway protocol. Let's go for sessions today. So what is meant by routing protocols? These are the set of different rules used by routers to communicate between source and destination. Remember the find options. So and moreover, they do not move the information to the source to destination, but only update the routing table that contains the information. Apart from this, these routing tables are divided in two parts. One is called static, another one is dynamic. What is now the questions? What is static routing protocol? These are the protocol used when an administrator manually assigns the path from source to destination network, and it offers more security to the network. So whenever for the routing protocol, we can manually assign the path from source to destination. Then next one is dynamic routing protocol. This is another type of protocol where it helps router to add information to the routing tables from connected routers automatically. So what are the routers connected in the network? It will help automatically share the information. Then these type of information protocols also send out topology updates whenever the network changes topological structure. Let's see the important points now. And what is distance vector protocol? Distance vector protocol. These are generally advertise the routing table to every directly connected neighbor at specific time intervals using lots of bandwidth and slow coverage. Moreover, this protocol, what happens means when a router becomes unavailable, all routing tables need to update with new information. So it's one of the dynamic protocol and following some of the algorithm, and also for having some of the advantages like update of the network or exchange periodically, and it is always broadcast. And moreover, this protocol always test routing information received from neighbor routers. Moreover, before knowing detail about this distance vector protocol, what is autonomous system? So some of the term we are going to use the upcoming session also. Autonomous system is what according to the network is a collection of routers under a common administration such as company or organization. And moreover, an AS autonomous system is also known as routing domain. And some of the example you can say company's internet network and an ISP's network. Let's see the difference between intra-domain and inter-domain, because once you understand this one, then only you can understand the upcoming sessions. Yeah, let's discuss. So we already discussed today what is routing protocol and so on. What are the types of routing protocol? So intra-domain and inter-domain. First intra-domain, here routing with an autonomous system only. Let's not tell you. But intra-domain, routing between autonomous systems only. Different autonomous systems will connected here. And moreover, in intra-domain, it always ignores the internet outside the AS. Here, also that internet consists of a collection of interconnected AS. So whenever we have a support of internet, and there will be a collection of autonomous system will connect here for sharing the information. And more intra-domain, the protocols for intra-domain routing are also called as interior gateway protocols, or we can say IGPs. But here normally there is one dedicated router in each AS that handles intra-domain traffic. So only one router will be in the intra-domain routing. And moreover, some of the popular protocols are RIP, that is routing information protocol, and OSPF, open state, somewhat I'll say later. So RIP and OSPF. Here protocols for intra-domain routing also called as exterior gateway protocols, or you can say EGPs. Some of the example protocols you can say EGP, BGP, that is border gateway protocol. So these are the important points you have to remember. What is routing protocol? We need routing protocol, the static and dynamic, and what are the updations they have, and the difference class we have. What is now? What's meant by AS and what is the difference between intra-domain and the inter-domain. So if you have any questions or suggestions, please kindly comment with the social media, and thank you for watching the video. Thank you.